everyone, welcome to Yourpedia Job Updates and Preparation. This is Shikha and I'm again here with one more job notification that has been came out in THDC Private Limited or India Limited basically. So इसमें बहुत सारी vacancies out हुई हैं for the different field basically and for the level 1 in different disciplines on fixed tenure. Field engineer की post है जो कि डिफरेंट डिसिप्लिन्स में डिफरेंट बैकग्राउंड से आप इसमें अप्लाई कर सकते हैं, शॉर्ट टर्म बेसिस पर है और ऑल इंडिया से आप कहीं से भी अप्लाई इसमें कर सकते हैं. ठीक है. सो THTC इज ऑल्सो अ लीडिंग पार्ट सेक्टर इन प्रॉफिट मेकिंग पब्लिक सेक्टर एंटरप्राइज एज पब्लिक लिमिटेड कंपनी इन जुलाई 1988. ठीक है. सो ये भी एक PSU है बेसिकली एंड इसके अंदर ये पोस्ट निकली है फील्ड इंजीनियर की, जो कि डिफरेंट डिसिप्लिन से आप इसमें अप्लाई कर सकते हो. सी these are the details of post. Field engineer level 1 in geotechnical engineering. ठीक है. One post. Level 1 engineer, structural engineer, hydrology, discipline of seismology. ठीक है. One postage basically. And ये आपका आ जाता है benchmark person like disabled candidates के लिए उन्होंने जो कोड उसमें लिखे हुए हैं उसके अकॉर्डिंग. बट मेजरली ये आपकी पोस्ट है 4+1, 5, 6 and 7 पोस्ट आर देयर जो कि आउट हुई हैं. एलिजिबिलिटी क्राइटेरिया की अगर मैं बात करूं, दैट इज फॉर द जियोटेक्निकल यू शुड हैव लाइक 60% मार्क्स इन एमटेक इन जियोटेक्निकल इंजीनियरिंग, BE, BTech और MTech. ठीक है. मैक्सिमम 30 ईयर्स तक के जो कैंडिडेट्स है दैट कैन अप्लाई इन दैट एंड देयर इज नो एक्सपीरियंस रिक्वायर्ड, प्योरली इट हैज बीन रिटन ओवर देयर. ठीक है. नेक्स्ट इज बेसिकली स्ट्रक्चरल इंजीनियरिंग. सो यू शुड हैव BE, BTech, BSc engineering civil discipline in MTech in structural engineering. There is no experience have been asked here and you can apply till 30 years of age. Field engineer in discipline of hydrology. ठीक है. Full time BE, BTech, BSc engineering, right? MTech preferably in hydrology and field engineer in discipline of seismology. So again MTech in earthquake engineering, dam safety and rehabilitation. So as such there is no experience have been required for these. Right. Now relaxation and concession also have been given to various other categories. Selection process very important. Field engineer post is there from 4 different field and you can apply for that. There are only 4, 1 or you can say 2 posts are there. Like in sum total there are 7 to 8 vacancies have been out for the different post. There is no as such experience have been required and you can apply till 30 years of age. Right. Now what can be the selection process? It is something like that general conditions of basically like that no candidate securing over or less than 50% marks. ठीक है. And for ex-servicemen, SC, ST, PWD they need at least 40% marks and yes accordingly they will be get their names in the merit list. Okay. So this is your pay scale 53,580 per month. That is a very good pay scale. Accordingly you will be get another benefits as well. Just do read accordingly. Leaves, compensatory off and extraordinary leave, it has been also given here. You can also visit to the official website of THTC Limited. Medical facilities are there, insurances, ठीक है, conduct, tenure if I'll talk, it is firstly for the 3 years stages based on the performance requirement and recommendations, right? And there will be maybe it can be agreement as well, right? These are another conditions which can be very important, so you just need to be read it out. Registration fee is rupees 600. ठीक है. For unreserved EWS OBC category, for SC ST PWD ex-servicemen, department candidates and candidates belong to DOOP क्षेत्र project affected area families of THTC project, उनके लिए कोई भी application fee नहीं है. Right. सो आपकी जो एज काउंट होगी दैट विल बी टिल 11th of June. ठीक है. एंड आफ्टर दैट ऑल दीज थिंग्स यू विल बी अलाउड टू गो फॉर द पर्सनल इंटरव्यू. यू विल गेट शॉर्टलिस्टेड अकॉर्डिंगली. So please go to their official website and apply accordingly as per your eligibility, as per your like educational qualification. See, this is how to fill online application. Step wise all the things have been guided to you, that scan signature, photograph, respective documentation which is needed, what you need to be like upload there. ठीक है. So please go to these steps and apply accordingly. ठीक है. How to make payment also have been given here. Now these are the important dates. So 11th June is the starting date, opening date of this application, and you can apply till 10th of July. ठीक है, 10th of like almost 28 days to 29 days you have for the application of this particular vacancies. So all right, this particular post, these particular posts are on the short term basis in THDC Limited, and these are in the basically four different fields you can say, and you can apply till 10th of July for this basically THDC Limited from all over the India. So I'll put this notification on your Pida Telegram channel. Go and check it out, check your eligibility and like how you're eligible, is the qualification is matching or not, and apply accordingly. All the very best, and stay updated with the job updates. Your Pida. Good luck.